I've met up with Brad here outside the IBM Industries booth. Brad, sustainably electrifying industries. What are you guys up to?
You tell me. No, welcome to Distributech, welcome to the IBM booth. And this is the first time we've taken sustainably electrifying industry out for a ride.
Right.
So we're testing it out here at Distributech, but very thoughtfully. About 2 years ago, we changed the name of our industry to Energy Environment Utilities. And the thought was that a very important role the utility companies, particularly electric companies, are going to play in electrifying industry. Automobile industry, for examples. More electrification for heating out in buildings, electrification into manufacturing and industrial processes, because if we're ever going to reach the carbon reduction goals, right, the energy transition, we're going to use more electricity, but in doing that, we have to develop the systems, the technology, the algorithms to allow more variable sources of energy, wind, solar, things like that, to integrate naturally, and to take advantage of all pieces of the energy system, whether that's battery storages in a vehicle, right, or storage in a building, or demand response or energy efficiency to help balance out this new distributed energy system. So the solutions we're offering, what we're talking about is, hey, we're all in this together. Let's bring the ecosystem together within companies, within IBM itself, within the solutions we deliver to help this energy transition happen.
And what I found fascinating, I was with Mahesh and more of your team yesterday evening.
Good guy. Okay.
And I look at the four pillars, the four solutions that you have. So you have asset performance management, you have cognitive customer care, vegetation management. Each of those is a solution in its own right.
It is.
But when you join them together with an intelligent workflow, that's where it starts to sing.
You're exactly right, spot on. Is at what we call on-ramps.
Okay.
And we'd say it's an on-ramp of what we call the cognitive enterprise. The idea of a cognitive enterprise is you take information. So you collect the information, right? You orchestrate it, manage it. You get an insight, and then you infuse it into a business process. An example of a business process is vegetation management or outage management, so that we take insights that we've gained from data that's being collected within the enterprise or outside the enterprise, from the weather itself, and help it improve the way something is done. If I know how fast a tree is going to grow, the type of tree, then I might have a better idea of how to schedule my trimming of that tree more effectively and efficiently. If I can predict how an outage is going to occur before it happens, I can pre-position crews with the right equipment, the right skills, those type of things to do a better job. So those are historic processes within a utility, but it's taking data and insights and improving the way that it executes at a workflow level, so that I optimize that workflow so lights come on faster, right? The fridge comes on and I don't spoil food.
Now, I'm going to spend the rest of the couple of days here chatting to your team because where the world I come from, the technology, when I look at all these solutions, underneath all this is IBM Watson, blockchain, IoT, Red Hat, OpenShift.
Yeah, we'd call that exponential technology, but really one other, if you look at the IBM strategy, I talked about the cognitive enterprise, right? That's where business processes and workflows are transformed. Underneath that is what we call hybrid multi-cloud, right? Hybrid multi-cloud is all about public-private hybrid cloud, the infrastructure it runs on. Our acquisition of Red Hat and strong partnership with the company, because we've left it on its own to run, right? Even though it's part of the IBM family, that provides us that middleware and data infrastructure to orchestrate so we can deliver those insights to the business process. So cognitive enterprise, hybrid multi-cloud, happy customers, energy transition.
Let's put smart to work.
Yes, thank you very much.
Hey, cool, thank you.